Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Romany and if you're new here, hello! How are you doing? So today is Wednesday, but I'm filming my quick tip Tuesday for yesterday because yeah, it went wrong a little bit and it didn't record. So I'm recording it today, but I'm sure it's Tuesday somewhere in the world, I think, hopefully. I don't know, maybe. Just pretend it's Tuesday. Alright. Okay, so you're getting ready. You've done said makeup. I'm going for no makeup look. I've got no foundation on. I've just got the Charlotte Tilbury, oh, what's it called? The glowy stuff. I can't remember what it's called. I'll find out what it's called in a sec and let you know. But anyway, so you're getting ready and you go to put your mascara on. I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational. I quite like this one, even though it's not a wand that I would typically like. It is curved, so I just use that curved end just to get right in there. So you're there, minding your own, you're putting your mascara on, and boop! You booped yourself with mascara. Damn it. Don't touch it. Continue with your mascara. Let's boop a bit more. There you go. That's a good boop. So you just continue with your makeup. Don't fret. And even if you get it like on your eyelid, which with, oh look, I just did it then. Didn't even do that on purpose. Sometimes it gets on your eyelid. You can do this with that as well, even after you've done your makeup. So we're going to carry on. Make hideous mascara faces. And I'm going to show you how to remove this. So continue the rest of your face, continue getting dressed, do your hair, do whatever else you need to do, and wait for it to dry. Okay, so we have finished. I haven't really done much else, to be honest, apart from smack my knee on the table. We haven't done much else. I just put a little bit of lip in. That Charlotte Tilbury was the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter Youth Glow thingamajig. Anyway, so I just popped a little bit of powder on because I was a bit shiny from that, and put my lippy on, as I just said. Okay, so you could use several different things. One of these is quite handy. Eyebrow and eyelash brush, or a spoolie, or your fingernail. Okay, so just, God, it's pouring with rain and blowing a hoolie out there. Just check that it's dry. So it is dry. Get your spoolie. And brush it away. If there's any remnants left, use your foundation brush. I had a little bit of powder on this. Gone. Not a problem at all. That's on top of foundation and everything as well. You can, you know, and then I got a little bit on my eyelid, just, I don't know if you can see that, just there. Done. Just very gently. Flicks away. Doesn't mess your makeup up. Nothing. It's good. Just wait for it to dry. Alright. I hope you found that interesting, informative, helpful. above all, helpful is the main thing. Alright, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment any of your little tricks and tips on anything. Could be makeup, hair, fashion, lifestyle things. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time. Bye!